By the waves of Karachi, the city never sleeps. Dreams in the night, and the ocean so deep. Voices in the markets, colors in the air. Stories of a people, a heartbeat we share. The waves of Karachi, rising strong and free. Grace of Lahore in every melody. To souls of a nation, shining evermore. The waves of Karachi, the grace of Lahore. Under Lahore's moonlight, the gardens bloom white. Whispers of the past and a cultural pride. Drums in the alleys, laughter in the streets. Every heart remembers where history beats. Waves of Karachi, rising strong and free. Grace of Lahore in every melody. To souls of a nation, shining evermore. The waves of Karachi, the grace of Lahore. Hand in hand, east to west we stand, bound by love for this homeland. Hear the call, the